My name is Tralalero Tralala, and this is my story. I was born into this world surrounded by blood and death. The two most important people in my life, my brother and my wife, were murdered by Chimpanzini Bananini and Bombardilo Crocodilo. The biggest mafia boss in the city, and the highest-rated hitman alive. I fought every day for survival. Each day I grew stronger and stronger. I became a hitman to serve one clear purpose: to kill Bombardilo Crocodilo and Chimpanzini Bananini, the two men who made my life a living hell. I eventually killed both of these bastards, but inside I still felt empty. I find myself itching for the next kill. I will never be satisfied, so I will keep taking until there's nothing left. All I have ever known in my life was collecting heads for money. In the process of trying to eliminate the monsters of this world, I slowly became one myself. There's a man I am hunting now, and he can run, but he can't hide. Tim Cheese. Only a matter of time until your head ends up on a stick.